So, troubleshoot it yourself looks to be such a big name and quite confusing. What is troubleshooting yourself? Although it has a short name which is called TIY, but it's still very confusing. And so, what is it all about? Now, before I dwell further into this, I would take you uh, to one of the experiences that we had, where there is a participant who brought a VCR and he said, "Guys, just have a look and troubleshoot what is the problem with this." And we, as the mentors, we started checking and we troubleshoot it. So what we found is that it has lots of CDs which are stuck in it, and you can see the picture. Now, when I went back to the participant and I asked him that this is what happened, what do you have to say? So he had a good laugh and he said, "Oh my God, I would have done it myself." Now, this is a immediate reaction which has come to anybody's mind, because many of us, we actually know how to troubleshoot it, but we may not have time. And many of us who don't know, we don't have good enough platform, or we don't have any we are not confident to deal with in the in isolation, when we don't have any somebody to help us out. So we all of us, we need a platform where we can dedicate some time from our day-to-day schedule and we do a little bit of these troubleshooting, so that we can actually revive the gadgets that we have stored at home. And I'm sure that every household will have many such stories. The ambit is huge. We are talking about home electricals, we are talking about laptops, we are talking about servicing your water filter and cloth mending. Now, here are some examples I want to just take you. So, LED clip light, solar charged, somebody has brought it last year, and the person has junked it at home, and he said, "I feel guilty because I have a tendency to buy such things, but if it doesn't work, then it becomes a junk in my home." So he wants to overcome that guilty and he wants to do something to revive this particular item. And while troubleshooting it, the first thing first, what we have discovered is that the battery is fully swollen. So in that condition, swollen battery, we really can't use it. It is not advisable. So at least he knows the reason now and he these batteries. But many of us, when we go and buy such things, we really don't think about the spare parts, whether it is available in the market, and the thing. And in online also, there is no such thing where they actually give you an assurance that the spare parts will be available or this thing will be repaired. It is only selling it, nothing else. So this is a pertinent question we should ask every time when we go out to buy something or when we buy online. Or maybe we can check out, there's a lot of reviews nowadays on YouTube. Now, okay, coming back to other examples. Now, mending is visible, invisible, whatever. We have lots of clothes. So there's a hole. Somebody is expert in embroidery but doesn't have time. She wanted to uh, work on this, and she came in this platform, troubleshoot it yourself, DIY. And there, with the help of mentors, she created a beautiful design on her this repair, uh, while reviving this hole, while securing this hole. She created a beautiful design, which I think it's really unthinkable when you go back to some other alteration or any such tailor, because they don't have time to do such minute work. And I think it really requires some bit of you to create that magic. It is just like creating a good meal today, which you can with your hands can do. Yeah. So I think this is something which has made a great difference, and I am sure all of us have plenty of such clothes at home. So here is the DIY for you. Now this lady who has brought this extension box, as you can see, she wanted to use them, but then she's not very sure whether they are working. She troubleshooted it, and when she opened it, when we checked all the points, what we found is somewhere it is burnt, but not very visible. Now we have to convince her that yeah, I think it's burnt, but how? So she said. So we suggested her that why don't you look for fuse? She said, where is the fuse? So we have to guide her. She was surprised that it is just right here only. She opened the knob, took out this fuse, and here is the fuse in front of you, which is a you can see yourself that it is actually burned. So now she is confirmed that this particular guy is not safe to use. So I need to change this, and I need to get that particular socket repaired, and then I will be using it. So at least now she has that information with her, and one day she will definitely will repair it. Will get it repaired from somebody. So it has a chances that it may come back to work again rather than going to a landfill. So guys, platform. So platform is DIY, okay, and it's an online platform. It's a virtual platform.